Look, I'm on TV. Anyways, today I got something to share with you guys. I just liquidated one of my portfolios in my Webull account, and I decided I'm gonna try a little experiment with options trading, and I'm gonna share that with you guys today. And we're gonna do the first trade today, and I'm gonna do it live for you guys right now here on the balcony here where I'm staying. You can see I'm here in Makati in Metro Manila, standing on my balcony, and I'm in Poblacion, Makati. But that doesn't matter. What matters is we're gonna try something new today. If you're new here, my name is John. I'm an American that's been living abroad for nearly 20 years. And basically I talk about generating income so you can live free from a 9 to 5. And I mostly do that through my investing system. I make videos about it. Consists of income portfolio, growth portfolio, retirement portfolio, and now we're going to experiment with generating income through options. But this is just a fun little experiment. So I'm going to record the screen on my phone. I'm going to dive in, and we're going to make our first options trade. And I'm going to show you how I do it and talk to you guys a little bit about how it works. All right. So let me record the screen. 3, 2, 1, bam. All right, I'm gonna open up Webull, and if I'll show you this right here, you can see right now my Webull account is valued at $6,828, and you can see there my cash balance is $6,141, and I have a couple experimental positions here I'll share with you guys really quick. I have SpaceX here, and I have CHPY, Chippy. It's an income fund, but it's a very, very small position there. You see, I have $6,000 so in cash, and we're going to use that cash right now as collateral for an options trade. So let me know what you guys think about this view, by the way. You like that? So anyway, let me make my screen a little brighter. Let me go here to, I created a watch list here. I have an options watch list, and you can see I have options here. So these are ones that I was interested in trading options on. Then I have a tier 1 list, and a tier 2, and a tier 3. So we're gonna go to tier 1. These are the ones that I think are the best for generating income that I wouldn't mind actually owning. So we're gonna start there. So the first, what I wanna look at here, I'm gonna look at DRAM, Round Hills DRAM. So if you're not familiar with DRAM, I'll share with you guys really quick. If we go here to the fund and about, you can see DRAM, Round Hills Memory ETF. So if you want to know about DRAM, you can see here, it seeks to provide capital appreciation. So this fund is not an income fund, nothing like that. They just want to grow. And they generally seek to invest primarily in securities and memory companies. So they're investing in memory companies. And if you want to know what those companies are, you can just check out here what they are. U.S. Treasury, Samsung, SK Hynix, Micron, Samsung, so it's Seagate, memory stocks, right? But we're gonna check out this ETF because the options premiums on this are really juicy. So if you go here to the options tab, now options on this expire weekly, and they usually expire on Friday. So you see right here, this 2D, it means there's only 2 days until expiry. Now I can go, if I want, you can change this to other days, but I'm gonna keep it short. I want some money now. I don't want money later. So I'm gonna put this on 2 days. Now, what I wanna look at when I do options, I like to look at the delta. So if you scroll to the left here, you can see mid, volatility, the delta. Now for me, see the price in the red here, this is the current price. So I'm gonna sell a cash secured put. I'm not gonna buy any options, I'm gonna sell options because that's where the money's made, is selling. So I'm gonna sell a cash secured put. Basically what that means is I'm gonna put up collateral, and I'm gonna sign a contract, or not really gonna sign it, but I'm agreeing to a contract that if this falls to the price that I put, I will commit to actually buying 100 shares of DRAM. Now, if it doesn't fall to the price that I choose, then guess what? I get to keep all of the money, and I don't have to buy DRAM, and I keep my money too. So I keep my collateral, I get paid, and nothing happens. I just get paid. But if it does fall to the price I choose, then I have to buy 100 shares. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go out here to this. I'm going to look at this 21 delta at the very top and the 24 delta. So if we go here, look at the price, 53.50 and 54. So I can sell the $54 price or the 53.50 price. So I can get about maybe 75 bucks or near 100 bucks for this option. I get that money right now, and I just put up my collateral. And then 2 days from now, if the price doesn't fall from $57.86 to $54 or $53.50, then I keep the 100 bucks and I keep my collateral. Say it falls to $54, for example, I keep the 100 bucks still, but I have to pay $5,400 for 100 shares of DRAM. So what I'm gonna do, since this is only 2 days, man, like 2 days is nothing, I'm gonna choose the 21 delta. So basically what this means is there's a 21% chance that this price would fall down to this level, and there's a 79% chance that it will not happen. So the odds are in my favor at this delta pretty much. It's just a simplified way of explaining it. I'm not gonna be super detailed. I just wanna explain it like you guys are beginners. So I'm gonna choose the 21 delta. So that gives me a 79% chance that this will not happen. But that doesn't mean it won't happen. So I'm gonna go here on the red side because that's the sell side. But see, it says here the limit price is $71. Now I'm gonna go for the mid. I want to try to get 78 bucks. So if somebody accepts this contract, I will get $78 right now. So let's try it and see if we can get 78 bucks. So let's sell. So see, buying power use, $5,272. I'm not paying this money, this is just collateral. Okay, let's confirm. Okay, the order is submitted. So I did that. So let's go back here to my positions and see if anything has happened yet. Did we get filled or not? I don't think we got filled yet. This is quantum stocks. Where's my positions? There's my positions. So we haven't been filled yet. But if you want to see more, actually I could change it, I guess, if I really want to get filled. But I'm trying to wait and hold out and see if somebody will take my contract. But if I go here to my DRAM, well, it's not my position, but if I click on this, you can see I have an open order. Man, let me go back and check, because I really would like to. I could go down here and get even more premium for this, really, but I'm holding out, man. I wanna keep it relatively conservative. See, the delta is 20, less than 21, man. So that's a pretty good delta. If I could just get somebody to take my order, man. I'm waiting on somebody to purchase this from me. Or, well, yeah, because they're gonna, when they purchase it from me, that's what I'm doing, I'm selling. So that actually means they give me the money and they buy the contract. Worst case scenario, what I can do, and I think I'll do it just for fun, just for tutorial sake for you guys. Let's go in here and try to modify the order. Let's modify the order. We'll make it a little bit lower. The mid is 73. Oh man, it's falling. We'll just do it for 73. See if somebody takes it. Somebody take this thing, man. I want to get filled. Oh look, I think I got filled. Let's go check it out. Let's see here, my position, and we got filled right here, DRAM. So this is my options on DRAM. So you see the average price is 73 cents. That's per share. So you see here market value $76. So I did just now get paid for this position. You can see now, see my cash balance has went up from 6,100. It's 6,214 now. And so I did just receive a payment for DRAM there. So I just made a quick 70 or 73 bucks, just like that. yeah, 73 bucks. I made $73 just now in a few seconds on my option strategy. And in 2 days, if this price does not fall to, let's see, what did I choose again? DRAM 5350. So if DRAM does not go to 5350 in the next 2 days, I keep the 73 bucks and I keep my 5,300 bucks also. Now, if it does fall down, I'll buy it. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll make more videos covering this options strategy, and I'll make more videos on options and share with you guys how these options actually work. And we're gonna see if we can generate some decent amount of income with a small amount of money using options strategies. So I'll update you guys every time I sell an option contract and keep you guys updated with the monthly income we are earning from options in this neat little experiment. Let me know in the comments below, do you want to see more videos like this about option strategies? And if you want to see more videos about how this option plays out and all that stuff, let me know that in the comments, and I'll make sure to make more videos about options for you guys, because I've been doing this for a long time. I have experience with it. I just don't really do it that often, just because I just like to sit back and chill like I am now right now here in Makati. But these are kind of strategies I use to live this life abroad in beautiful places all around the world. So anyway, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, please. That's the best thing you can do to support the channel, and it's free. It doesn't cost you a thing to hit the button. And if you want to know more about my income strategies and investing philosophy, that's in my Freedom Blueprint. I'll put the link below. It's all about not just the investing part, but also the mindset part and everything you need to know in order to live a life like I live, of freedom. See you guys next time.